Okay, 10th group, Jesus English High School, and in front of you, your English faculty, Ms. Shashwat Chaudhary. So dear students, get ready with your English textbook, that one, page 110. Today, already in the previous video, I have announced, I am going to start today unit number 6. That's a play, that is a drama, The Discovery by Herman Wood. And before going to start the textbook part lesson, please follow the board work. Okay, class 10, unit 6, play The Discovery by Herman Wood. And date is 8 December 2020. Come to the point. Concept of this lesson, reading comprehension, means you will read and you will comprehend. You will read and you will understand. Learning points, it's a story in a dialogue frame. So you should know, you will read all the dialogues and you will analyze all the characters, all the qualities, disqualities inside the characters. Read the dialogues, then study the characters, explanation and analysis of each and every characters, and the story as it will start with and it will be speed up according to the story means with the starting point, then it will reach to climax, anticlimax like this. Then again it will come down. That is the drama. That is called the conclusion part of the drama. Play. That is the conclusion part. That is called ending part. That is the conclusion part. The starting point is just like the shape of, I will give you only the chart in English literature. Play, drama, it's a chart, triangle shape. Starting point here, it reach to total. It speed up and reach to climax point. After that climax, then again mold down, come to the graph down. So here it is conclusion part. That is called the denouement. D-E-N-O-U-M-E-N-T. Denouement of the play. That is the conclusion. That is the ending part. So all the play, all the drama like that. Maybe Shakespearean drama or other dramas. All authors, those who compose drama or play like that. So in between all the characters in different way, different mood, different sentiment, you will get it. You will read the discovery, there also you will get so many things. So before going to start the play, you see here very nicely drafted 3 columns. The cans means always 100% positive. They can't do anything, no problem at all. Then you come to the point. The can'ts means they cannot, can'ts. The won'ts means would not be able to do. So negative, negative. First column is positive, second one also negative, third one also negative. 3 kinds of people, 3 categories people, 3 types of people. Now, page number 110, please get ready with your textbook with full concentration, 10th group. All the attachment paper should be ready, and in between, that is your notebook. That one should be ready because continuously we will make notes after my video teaching. So page number 110, number 1. They are always confident of their ability, that is column A, that is positive, the cans. They think they are too weak to take up the challenge. Number 2, the can'ts, cannot. They are able but unwilling to take up any challenge. That is also number 2 column. They like risk-free job. Number 3, that is also negative. Wherever your life, you are a human being, risk is there in every 1 second, in every moment in your life. So you have to accept your risk in your life. You have to survive in this risk, putting your leg on the platform of risk. That is called the life. There is a true life story of each and every human being in this universe. So where there is no risk, there is no interest in life. So they like risk-free job. It means category number 3, the won'ts. They are spirited and determined. This is number 1. They can do everything. Very much spirit, highly intellectual, high spirit, highly energetic, enthused, and with good enthused, that is enthusiastic mood. They are determined, they are concentrated, They have good work culture, everything plus point. Next one, they are always overruled by the consequences of the challenge. Number 3. They are by nature lazy and easily satisfied. Number 2. They are fit to rule, they think. Number 1. Fit to rule, and they think always in a positive manner. How to become winner and successful in their life. They lack confidence in themselves. This is number 3. Hopeless, worthless, no confidence. Nothing can stop them from reaching their goal. Goal means ultimata, that is your determination. A goalkeeper will stand in front of you, but in the football ground, your target will be how will you give the goal there to your opposite section. Goalkeeper will be ready, but you should be ready to make your team successful. So if you think that, oh, very nice goalkeeper, with full high spirit, high energy, how could I go, bapre, I can't. It means you are failure. Goalkeeper will do goalkeeper's duty. Other team members, they will try to make you backside. But you should run with your football so that you can become winner in that circumstance by giving extra goal. So it's up to you. How will you reach to your destination and you will give the goal. Goal means your determination, G-O-A-L, your dream, project and all. They always say it is highly impossible. Negative. Why highly impossible? Impossible is actually no word in dictionary. Forget about impossible. Everything is possible in this world. They are optimistic, means with a high hope and wish and expectation. So this is always number 1 column. In this way, any sentences you can make it column 1, column 2, column 3. Well, now come to the point. Read the play to know about a daring leader. Daring leader is coming in front of you. So let's start today's play. The Discovery by Herman Wood. Page number 111. 10th group, be serious and put your concentration on the discovery. Unit 6, play The Discovery by Herman Wood. Christopher Columbus first saw the light of the new world on the night of 11th October 1492. Christopher Columbus first saw the light of the new world on the night of 11th October 1492. Before he could achieve this great feat, he was often at open defiance with his crew, means all the sailors and all, those are members in that ship. Based on this, the play builds up a conflict, struggle going on to survive. So naturally conflict will be there, of great imagination. But with lots of hopes and expectations, Christopher Columbus started his journey with a crew, lot of huge crew and other members in the ship. Based on these, the play builds up a conflict of great imagination. Read the play of Herman Wood to see how this conflict is resolved. Main characters you have to study: Christopher Columbus, Pedro Gutierrez, he is an officer, Pep, a page boy, Juan Patino, Diego Garcia, seaman, Francisco, Guillermo Ayres, 2 seamen, Francisco and Guillermo Ayres. When the ship started, the seamen in the ship, they started enjoying with the songs. The song of seamen is heard. It is a scarcely distinguishable murmur, not in a loud voice, little bit murmuring sound. Here's a cake, oh ram, to kingdom not come. The devil laughs, but God is dumb. They're drinking, wine is there, journey started, and they're enjoying their wine also, and they are that time with a happy mood, energetic mood started, taking wine also and singing the song. Page number 112. Down you will always get the glossary. Assumed. This one. Assiduity. Pretended interest. Rigging. Walk of sailing. Mutinous. Rebellious. Surlily. This one. Rudely. Pumping. Encouraging. Ruddy. Pink and healthy. Melancholy. Very sad. Trifle a little. Always read the glossary, then start the lesson. Page wise you will get all the word meanings. Page 112, 10th group. Joanne, sharply. They ought to stop that. Why are you singing in this way? They ought to stop that. The captain is always furious when he hears it. And Joanne is telling the captain is very much furious when captain listens it. So who is the captain, I will tell you afterwards. This much you read. Shortly coming back with the continuation of this lesson, that is Kaveri by Haman Uj. Thank you.